Today we are having our cook-off, which stemmed from World Home Economics Day, which was on the 21st of March. We celebrated the day with an assembly on the 20th of March. We did it on the 20th because we really wanted to reach the students, and the 21st was on a Saturday. This cook-off is part of World Home Ec Day. The theme for World Home Economics Day was "You are what you eat, feeding the future." And what we are seeing here is the future being fed by our mentors from the hotels and our other sponsors. The students, 12 of them, they paired off. We have 6 teams. They were mentored by chefs at different hotels in St. Lucia. And they are preparing food items that reflect you are what you eat. The Feeding the Future is these young students who will probably later on become chefs and their mentors feeding that aspect of their future. The activity unfolded quite nicely. I really appreciated the hotels assisting in accommodating the students at their workplace. I know the chefs are very busy, but nonetheless, the hotels took them in and took care of them up to today. Actually, they have 2 hours to prepare their dishes, and they present to the judges after the 2 hours. The theme for the cook-off is fabulous fruits and vibrant veggie. So they are preparing a main course, but they're making use of our local ingredients, local fruits and vegetables.